How to update personal details or health data in the app. So here is a quick and simple guide to update your personal details or health data in most health or fitness app like Apple Health. So let's get started. First of all, open the Health app on your mobile device. And once in there, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, you will get to see some health details, medical details option available on your screen. Now, what you have to do is simply tap on the health details. Once in there, you can simply tap on the edit and update your name, date of birth, sex, blood type, etc. And simply tap on the done to save it. And that is it. This is how you can update your data in the health app. You can also update the medical data information. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.